What to do after a relapse? First, stop judging what just happened. Judgment adds a second injury on top of the first. A relapse does not erase progress. It only reveals where awareness arrived too late. Right now, the nervous system is unsettled. That is normal. The body is not asking to be punished. It is asking to be regulated. Step 1, pause this and take 3 slow breaths. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out slowly through the mouth. Let your shoulders drop. When you're done, press play. Relapse happens earlier than most people think, not at peak arousal, but at the moment attention drifted unchecked. Awareness was delayed, not absent. That matters. Nothing is broken. The system simply ran on an old loop. Your job now is not to promise anything. Promises made from shame rarely hold. Step 2, pause this and drink some water. If you can, eat something simple as well. When you're done, press play. Connection matters more after a relapse than isolation. Silence feeds the loop. This is why reaching out early matters. Step 3, pause this and reach out in the WhatsApp group linked below. Only do this if the urge is around 20% or lower. You don't need to explain anything. A simple urge is enough. Reaching out at 20% urge intensity gives you roughly an 80% chance of getting through it. After you've reached out, press play. Waiting until the urge is strong makes everything harder. By then, the nervous system is already flooded. You are not meant to do this alone. Step 4, pause this and choose one stabilizing action. Go for a short walk, clean your immediate environment, take a shower, sit quietly for 5 minutes. Choose only one. When you're done, press play. Avoid making grand declarations. The nervous system does not respond well to extremes. Do not count days right now. Count regulation. Progress is not undone by a single event, but it is damaged by self-attack. Step 5, pause this and think about what came before the relapse. Boredom, loneliness, fatigue, overstimulation, avoidance. No blame, just notice. When you're done, press play. Relapse is information. Use it. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to shorten the delay between impulse and awareness. Each relapse, when handled correctly, increases future stability. Do not chase intensity. Stability wins long term. Sexual discipline is not about fear. It is about alignment. You are not trying to suppress desire. You are learning where it belongs. Real sexuality moves toward connection, not towards screens. If shame is loud right now, remember this. Shame never produces strength. Calm produces strength. End today simply. Regulate. Reach out earlier next time. Sleep well tonight. Tomorrow begins without debt. You are not behind. You are learning, and learning compounds.